Hey, it's Living with Chanel. Welcome back to my channel. I am excited to share a new recipe with you today. If this is your first time here, please click on the subscribe button to show your support and hit the notification bell to stay up to date with upcoming videos. If you like this type of content, please don't forget to give it a thumb up. I upload new videos Wednesdays and Saturdays. For this recipe, you will need butter, baking soda, salt, vanilla, egg, sugar, flour. I'm gonna add some coconut flakes, milk, optional, chocolate chips. In the mixing bowl, add your butter, brown sugar. You need to make sure that your butter is at room temperature. You don't want it too cold. Now that the butter and the sugar are well combined, we're gonna go ahead and add our egg. Make sure your egg is at room temperature because your butter was also at room temperature. Add your vanilla, 1 tablespoon of milk. I know it looks like it's a little bit more watery, but it's not. Don't worry about that. We're gonna go ahead and add our flour, baking soda, salt. Time to add some coconut flakes, just a little bit. You don't want it to overpower the chocolate chips, so put just enough. Time to add our chocolate chips. See how beautiful those little chips are. Look at that, so cute. You put as much as you like. There goes your chocolate chip cookies dough. We're gonna go ahead and create a little cookie balls and put it on the baking tray. Look at that. It's so soft. It breaks easily. Real good. This is the perfect soft chocolate chips cookies. It's so moist. It's not hard. I don't like my cookies hard, and this is perfect. This is the texture I like